This is Arabic Easy for All A1 Arabic courses. Lesson 28 to have in the interrogative sentence. The interrogative sentence is a sentence aimed at asking a question. It ends with a question mark. In order to ask a question with to be, in Arabic we say هل, keeping the sentence as it is in the affirmative form. So we say هل زايا تملك طائرة؟ هل زايا عندها قصر فوق القمر؟ هل زايا تملك طائرة is the equivalent in the English language. Has Zaya got a plane? The sentence ends with a question mark. It is an interrogative sentence. In A1 lesson 28, we learned about to have in the interrogative sentence. In lesson 29, we will, inshallah, learn about to have in the interrogation. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.